Hello, my friends. If you're over 50 and you're taking collagen, or even just thinking about adding it to your daily routine, chances are you're hoping to see firmer skin, stronger joints, or simply to support your overall well-being as you age. Collagen has become one of the most talked about supplements in the world of healthy aging, and for good reason. It's a vital protein in our bodies, making up a significant part of our skin, bones, tendons, and connective tissue. But here's a truth you won't hear from most supplement companies. Even the best collagen won't work if you're making a few critical mistakes. I'm Dr. Andrew Miller, and today I want to help you get the most out of your collagen routine. Whether you've been taking it for a while or you're just getting started, avoiding these 5 common mistakes can make the difference between seeing real, visible results or wasting your time and money. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at what you might be missing and how to fix it, so you can truly support your body's health and vitality after 50. Mistake number 1: taking collagen without vitamin C. It's a little-known fact that your body simply can't build new collagen efficiently unless it has enough vitamin C. Think of collagen as the bricks for a building, and vitamin C as the construction worker who puts those bricks together. Without the worker, the bricks just sit there, unused. When you take collagen alone, your body lacks the key ingredient it needs to actually use those collagen peptides to rebuild your skin, joints, and connective tissue. So what's the fix? Always pair your collagen supplement with a source of vitamin C. This can be as simple as enjoying a glass of orange juice, adding some sliced kiwi or red bell pepper to your breakfast, or taking a modest vitamin C supplement, around 500 milligrams, with your collagen dose. By making this one change, you'll ensure your body can actually put that collagen to work where you need it most. Mistake number 2: using the wrong form of collagen. Not all collagen supplements are created equal. If you're taking gelatin or collagen that hasn't been hydrolyzed or broken down into smaller pieces, your body may have a hard time absorbing and using it. Imagine trying to fit a full-sized brick through a small window. It's not going to get through. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides, on the other hand, are broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces that your gut can absorb easily and send where they're needed. When you're shopping for a collagen supplement, look for the words hydrolyzed or collagen peptides on the label. This form is proven to have better absorption, and it's the one supported by the most scientific studies for improving skin elasticity, joint comfort, and bone strength. Remember, it's not about how much collagen you take, it's about how much your body can actually use. Mistake number 3: expecting instant results. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of wanting quick fixes. Many people start a collagen routine, and after a week or two, they look in the mirror, don't see a dramatic change, and give up. But collagen works differently from many other supplements. It rebuilds your body from the inside out, and that process takes time. Clinical studies show that real, visible improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and joint function typically take 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. So be patient and make collagen part of your daily routine. Set a reminder, mix it into your coffee, smoothie, or water at the same time each day, and trust the process. Think of collagen as a long-term investment in your body, not a quick fix. Consistency and patience are the keys to seeing results that last. Mistake number 4: taking collagen on a full stomach. This is a subtle mistake, but it can have a big impact on how well your body absorbs collagen peptides. If you're taking your supplement right after a big meal, especially one high in fat or sugar, your digestive system is already busy breaking down other foods. Collagen can get lost in the mix, and absorption may drop. For best results, take your collagen on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning before breakfast or at night before bed. This way, your digestive system can focus on absorbing those collagen peptides efficiently, and more of them will make it into your bloodstream to reach your skin, joints, and bones. Timing matters more than most people realize, and this simple adjustment can help you get more out of the collagen you're taking. Mistake number 5: ignoring lifestyle collagen killers. Even the best supplement can only do so much if your daily habits are constantly breaking down the collagen your body is trying to build. Smoking, for example, is a major collagen destroyer, leading to faster skin aging, wrinkles, and joint problems. A diet high in processed sugars can trigger a process called glycation, which damages collagen fibers and makes them brittle and less effective. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which not only breaks down collagen, but also interferes with your body's ability to repair itself. And poor sleep? That's another big hit. Your body does most of its repair work, including collagen synthesis, while you sleep. So, what can you do? Cut back on sugar wherever possible, avoid smoking, find ways to manage stress, such as meditation, gentle exercise, or spending time with loved ones, and make sleep a priority. Don't underestimate the power of a healthy lifestyle to make your collagen routine truly effective. Let's recap. If you want your collagen supplement to do its job, you need to avoid these 5 critical mistakes. First, always pair collagen with vitamin C. It's the spark that sets your collagen engine in motion. Second, choose the right form. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides that your body can actually absorb. Third, be patient and consistent. Give your body at least 8 to 12 weeks to show visible results. Fourth, pay attention to timing. Take your collagen on an empty stomach, not with heavy meals. And finally, protect your collagen investment by avoiding lifestyle habits that break it down faster than you can rebuild it. Quit smoking, reduce sugar, manage stress, and get enough sleep. By making these changes, you'll give your body the tools it needs to rebuild from the inside out. You'll see and feel the benefits: firmer, more hydrated skin, stronger joints, better mobility, and the kind of energy and vitality that lets you stay active and independent as you age. Now you might be wondering, are there foods that can help you boost your collagen even more? Absolutely. Bone broth, wild-caught fish, chicken skin, egg whites, and certain cuts of beef are all rich in natural collagen. Citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens are packed with vitamin C, which, as we discussed, is essential for collagen synthesis. Pairing these foods with a quality supplement can give you the best of both worlds, supporting your body with the raw materials and the tools it needs to stay strong and youthful. If you found this information helpful, I invite you to take the next steps in your journey to healthy aging. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to NutriSeniors, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos where we dive deeper into the science of aging well, staying strong, and living with vitality. And don't stop here. Watch the next video, where I'll share my top picks for collagen-rich foods that can amplify your results starting today. Remember, aging is a journey, not a destination. By taking small, smart steps, like avoiding these collagen mistakes, you're investing in yourself and your future. The choices you make today will determine how you look, feel, and move tomorrow. So stay strong, stay young at heart, and keep making decisions that support your health and happiness every single day. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Andrew Miller, and I look forward to helping you unlock more secrets to healthy aging in our upcoming videos. Until next time, take care of your body, nurture your mind, and remember, you have the power to age with strength, grace, and confidence. See you soon.